mamangida khoi displacement habamga distance habamga yengre, and that distance in a gidore is a scalar and displacement is a vector oibani. Sigina displacement is in a carino high targadi akoi position ani lairen gala horopamga loibamga moy ani khaidukna badubu when a displacement high along with a direction sina horopag initial point sina end point. It is also the shortest distance in between this initial point and the end point. Ngasi di graph khara yengdoini adugi mamang da si harami sengu. If an object moving along a straight line covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, sapmanaba time period ta sapmanaba matamda sapmanaba distance cover tokta in a straight line, adu itargadi object it is said to be in a uniform motion along a straight line. In 2 seconds, I don't know 2 seconds is 1 meter long cover in a straight line. We call it uniform motion in a straight line. This is a straight line scenery high is we are dealing with chapter is the straight line motion in a straight line in a plane 2D position time graph on y axis position x in meters some time in units in a second. Position time any marks the graph position time graph high. Sinatava velocity ga time we call it velocity time graph. I do it. Then your economy and see 10 second live the mass 40 meter delay, 20 second live the su delay 40 meters them lay, 30 the su lay. I believe distance is length. This is the position time graph for an object at rest. Length and life object amagi position time graph or object at rest have motor stationary object hersiani. Then object is next is the so York with the time is why York with the massive karkakale. So I don't York with the D massive. Karamhen kakale much of manana manava distance manava times the kakat lab aduna sigi graph position time graph of an object in uniform motion in equal intervals of time, equal distance, angle one. Sidagi sibuk sida kaya matam sida manava manana. See meters in this seconds adun highs position time graph of a car leng kemta horom dabadagi sum lengale dayong tapthagre tawbugi sum examples on piram bhaiwani sin sigi ideas khang taragadi we can come to average velocity and average speed. Average speed high targeti average speed speed average speed high targeti kaino hai matam sida mase some distance divided by time or kani. Then average velocity high targeti magi average distance by average time, average speed high targeti. Average velocity है average displacement divided by time or kani. Yengsi pamneraga dunia kyan tarakani speed sidana direction yaw diba aduna distance aduga object ki keno sidana ka main tawwa displace velocity sidana displacement lak direction daga tarak to ine. Next sida lazy Average velocity is defined as change in position and or displacement. Change in position or displacement divided by time intervals in which displacement occurs. Sina end position duneng khalo, sigi sina initial position duneng khalo. Moyani khaidok gives displacement. Then sigi time 2 sina kaidore x2 sida 1 givada time 2 do 1 doini. Then x1 is na time 1 on doine moigi difference do aduni time interval is moi marak sida on give do smaini ida suye del x by del t. So there's a high where x2 and x1 are the position of the object at time t2 and t1 respectively. The SI unit for velocity is meter per second or meter second inverse and either. The bar over the symbol for velocity is the standard notation used to indicate average quantity. See, the bar velocity velocity average and velocity symbol average in a corner. Many white or can you have your kanda? I get then there's an example ni CCD yengo CCD graph the position say the period time say period position time graph never say the position time graph see the koi velocity putok pe yani velocity kamain putok ay taragadi slope panam khaglay max the suit of the termini and putok to slope of p1 p2 height targadi yung is the theta or my angles slope of p1 p2 height lines is slope se kaino targadi 10 theta gamanani 10 theta hai bidi kaino is the koi ama tonjancy maybe p3 aengera natraga simply p ga thola ga is the opposite habidi p2p divided by sigi base p1 p habidi sigi the kamain khangni at this particular point see x1 and x2 ne lower ge sigi mapa sidana x1 ne lower dagi the kamain doriyam time bidana sigi mapa sina time 1 ne lower ge sigi mapa sina time t2 ne lower ge adu itaragadi p2p sidi kai ga manarni hai matamda x2 minus x1 ga manani then theta equal to x2 minus x1 siga manani divided by kai tare p1 minus p minus p1 so to ne sigi p1 p habidi p dei ji buk p oidoi ni p1 jina dei ji buk oidoi ni aduna habidi yango sina time 2 minus time 1 and la ani see formula is the kai why the ugi mathaki average velocity is the sina give dune aduna kai ta see se slope of this velocity slope of this position time graph se position time graph ki the slope se kai pi ge hai matam da the average velocity see slope in position time graph for doing it. Makha dark point yang singu auziki sigi graph sidagi x2 minus x1 d2 minus t1 abdi piram mimma tungina x2 zemo 27.4 and pire x1 zina 10 oidoini then time 2 is 7 minus sigi 5 se sumaini iraga puthoga keno puthopasu yai मागी एवरेज वेलोसिटी से तुम डायरेक्ट न्यूमेरिकल सिंग ग्राफ से हो लगा अदुनी को से सिदा पिरामी से हौजिकी दी अखोय यंगो position time graph for an object moving with positive velocity is in a positive side से दस तारगदी कोई डायरेक्शन से positive side से तारगदी सुमाइनी होंगे और मागी नेगेटिव वर्गना मखाद लाए तो then song is then कमाइन तो रहे एड्रेस तो लेगा ना सुमाइन तो नी ने इव कब तनी सिउमा ग्राफ में हमसे कोई खंजन दौनी को the average velocity can be positive or negative depending upon the sign of the displacement. It is 0 if the displacement is 0. Akoi ki somna kanjina positive ne low taragadi opposite lomza taragana negative ne low way. Simply plus minus in the taisi direction. Koi kisi da di velocity taropani na vector way na direction se da kada hai. Adugini the average velocity defined above involves only the displacement of the object. We have seen earlier that the magnitude of displacement may be different from the actual path length. To describe the rate of motion over the actual path, we introduce another quantity called average speed. Average speed average speed is total path length divided by total time interval. Average velocity dana total path length मुहूर्ता just simply displacement हो गया ने इनसे यंगो सी example से कोई खंगनी a car is moving along a straight line say OP in 3.1 and high रहे सी किसे वही दोनी 3.1 or the P books in 360 240 360 is now 240 ni in 0 only in terms of meter in or the P books it moves from O to P in 18 seconds. O the P power the time sen is 18 seconds. Then it returns from P to Q. P the Q dam hala P the Q dam hala so nakan jita hala दुकान तो क्या संग है 6 seconds 6.0 seconds संग है. What are the average velocity and average speed of the car in going either O to P? O the P set पर or the P book set pada average speed ne average velocity ne putho origin mo hai average velocity di kai tare displacement by time displacement hai di or the P book shortest distance is tum taza hai o to P se divided by time is 18 seconds sitare average ki keno ta ini ko ji bar jina 20 meter per second tare. Then mathang is na kaya average speed dasu average speed sidasu path length divided by time interval. Path length means total distance covered to ni total distance odu pui bukti odu pi dum ta jare sha manan tare 20 meter per second 20 meter per second je tare. Mathang is na from O to P and back to Q o dagi P usalaba dagi P dagi Q bu halakpa na haibne adu kanu di khenar ani buje velocity ai target displacement ni hobam dagi loi pawa sidagi hore loi business ai sida hore satpa budi sida satlaga sumaina halak taraga su aduna kamain tawre 0 dagi 240 utang lawrani displacement is 240 lawre time di kamain tawre o dagi p buk set bada 18 namasange then sida na kya angsange 6 sama muksange o de p is 18 amu halak pada 6 sama moje tin janare aduga water matam na 10 meter per second dare. Next is the nagamay to ringo average speed ay taragadi path length divided by time interval ni path length total lo lakpi ni mo sat pagi ama plus halakpagi ama 360 ama plus to arni then sigi length 360 minus 240 and sigi si macha se simga adudi 120 meter ni oidoi si odu p buk chatpagi sidai ji buk chatpagi 360 ama sidai ji bu halakpai ama 120 amga adu tawre by total time na divide to bone positive khenare amadana 10 dare amadana 20 tarak bone smaina speed is in general greater than the magnitude of the velocity sidai ji dasu tawisi speed na hela is velocity dagi smaina tawre next ki topic ta dia koi instantaneous velocity and speed se yeng se